Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the question number 9 and 10 from class 9 chapter motion. State which of the following situations are possible and give an example for each of these. That means we have to answer the following cases are possible or not. If they are possible, we need to specify an example. In this first sub-question A, an object with constant acceleration but with zero velocity. The object should have constant acceleration and at the same time it should have zero velocity. This case can be possible. So the answer for A is yes. An object can be with constant acceleration but with zero velocity. So what is the example? Suppose if we are throwing a body vertically upwards, it travels with decreasing velocity at maximum height. At maximum height, the magnitude of velocity is 0, but the acceleration will be downwards. That acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. So we can write here, if a body is projected vertically upwards at maximum height, the body has constant acceleration the constant acceleration is but acceleration due to gravity downwards with the magnitude of zero velocity. This is the example for A. Coming to second sub-question, an object moving with an acceleration but with uniform speed. The body should be with uniform speed but it should have an acceleration. This case also can be possible. So we can write for B, the answer is yes. While coming to the example, if you are taking a body moving with uniform circular motion, body moving with uniform circular motion, at each and every point the speed of the body remains constant. The speed of the body remains constant. Speed is constant, but its direction changes continuously from point to point, and the acceleration will be because of change in direction will be developed, that is towards center of the circle. That acceleration is called as centripetal acceleration. So we can write the example. The body which is in uniform circular motion has an acceleration with constant speed. Speed is constant but not the velocity. Velocity has the magnitude and direction. Magnitude of the velocity remains same but its direction varies. That's why velocity is variable. Speed is constant. And here the acceleration is always towards the center of the circle in uniform circular motion. That acceleration is called centripetal acceleration. For this centripetal acceleration, which is responsible, means the change in direction is responsible, not change in magnitude. Why? Means there is no change in magnitude. Coming to question number C. An object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration perpendicular to the direction. So here the body should be moving and its acceleration should be perpendicular to the direction. We can take the same example, uniform circular motion. The answer is yes. For example, if a body is moving in uniform circular motion, it has an acceleration called centripetal acceleration towards the center of the circle, but at the point, so what is its motion? Means its motion will be, its speed will be perpendicular to its acceleration. Not only here, at each and every point, the direction of motion or velocity will be like this, but acceleration is towards center. At that particular point, V and A will be perpendicular. So, the example for the body which is in uniform circular motion. One more example also we can take. Suppose if you are taking it as example number 1, one more example also we can take. Projectile, oblique projectile. If your body is projected with certain angle with horizontal, so because of acceleration due to gravity, because of gravitational force, the body will travel in projectile path like this. At maximum height, the direction of velocity will be horizontal, that is u suffix x, horizontal component of velocity, but the acceleration is nothing but equal to acceleration due to gravity, which is acting downwards. That means here the direction between u and a is 90 degrees. So the example what we can write, at maximum height of a projectile, this projectile is oblique projectile as shown in figure. So these are the examples. Coming to one more sub question, that is 10. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometers. Calculate its speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the Earth. The data given here is The radius of the circular orbit is 42,250 kilometer. Suppose this is a planet. The planet is nothing but Earth, and a satellite is revolving around it. The radius of the orbit is 42,250 kilometers. And how much time it is taking? It is taking the time that is never called time period 24 hours. Then to travel this circumference, it is taking 24 hours. That means we need to calculate the speed. So the time or time period, it is also nothing but time period 24 hours. We can write this 24 hours is 24 into 60 in terms of minutes into 60 in terms of seconds. And the radius 42,250 into 10 power 3 kilometer. Sorry, 10 power 3 meter. We have written kilometer in terms of meter. Now, the speed of the satellite, V is equal to, we know generally the distance traveled by a body by time taken. But here, the distance is nothing but the circumference of the orbit, that is 2 pi r. Time taken is nothing but time period, that is equal to 2 pi into r value 42,250 into 10 power 3 divided by 24 into 60 into 60. We have taken in terms of SI system. R is in terms of meter we have taken. Time is in terms of second we have taken. So after simplification, we will get 3070.9 meters per second. If you are writing in terms of kilometers per hour, that is also nothing but equal to 3.07 kilometers per second. Here pi value you can take 3.14 or 22 by 7. That is your choice. This is the speed of the satellite revolving around the Earth in that particular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometers of time period 24 hours. So these are the NCERT solutions related to motion. For further videos, please subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.